Okay, so let's take a look at how you can create custom or new profile in Salesforce Developer Dashboard. So log into your Salesforce Developer Dashboard, and on left hand side you can see this administration section in sidebar. Simply click on this users. Okay, and below that you can see there is option for profiles. Simply click on that. That should open some new page in this frame. It may take time depending on your internet connection. Mine being slow, it is taking some time. Okay, now here you can see all the available profile options. Okay, by default they are added when you create account. Okay, here your profiles are assigned to a license. As you can see, chatter free user has chatter free account and other authenticated licenses. Okay, now if you want to create a new profile, simply click on this create new view. And here you have to type in view name. Okay, then you have to specify the criteria for that particular user's search so that it appears within that particular profile. Okay, so whenever you run that filter, then that particular data appears. So here you see modify all data equals false, contact modify all equals true. So you can assign the setting as per that, then use equals, not equals, contain, and start with for filtering that value. Okay, you can also clear all rows if you find those particular filter settings not usable. Okay, then there is select column to display. Okay, currently we don't have any profile specific data, so it may not show you all available settings and profile name here. Okay, so here once you add that profile view, you can click on save. Okay, so you get the idea how to create a new profile view in your Salesforce Developer Dashboard.